In this video, I am talking about abstraction. Well, abstraction means to hide the information or hiding of information or to abstract away information and given access to only necessary. Well, when anything necessary, so we can give access to that, but it is actually hide it. For example, we just hide this function and this method, which it is a method in this class player character is hide it, the code is hide it, it is hidden. Where let's see here, I want to have the player one dot run. Well, see here, when I just say run, it means it shows it something here. Now if I want to print this, if I print this and just run it, well, it throws some error. You know why? Because it says that the print is not correct, you have not written the correct one. Well, it says that run, but this method we have used it here, like the same thing which I have illustrated in previous video about the encapsulation, which we do not understand, or which we are not even interested to know how it is developed, or how it, well, we just know how it works, and it works like this, but we do not understand where it developed and how it developed. It gives access to that specific part. So this run is a method here. We call it, well, the method of this class, and we just use it here. See the run as shown here. This is very, very powerful. Now, for example, you work in a company like Apple company, and there is some methods like, well, take picture. You have to use this take picture, and you develop the operating system of that iPhone. Well, you just say that camera.take picture. That is the functionality. Just when clicked, it takes a picture. You do not know, or you are not interested how this method is built. Well, you just use it, and you have the access to use it, but you are not interested, or you do not care about how this is created and how it is developed. So abstraction means the hiding of information. Well, that information, when we need, we have access to that. When we need, we can have to use that, and we can use that at the time of need. Anytime we cannot, well, use this. So this is, well, abstraction.